We are bike riding again. Bike trip number 3. Lake Mills to Deerfield.
Well, I know my bulge has gone down a little bit because I had to tighten up my belt.
Your belt must have come loose when you took it off last time.
I had to tighten it up about a ½ inch or more on each side. We're getting there.
Okay, we're gonna ride to Deerfield today and back. It's about 8.5 miles or
one way.
So she'll put 19 or 20 depending upon how much we go off
the trail.
Off the trail.
Now you're getting old when it takes 4 hours to get ready. Looks like we have some trees snap, crackle, pop in here.
That's for sure. Well, I really pumped up the tires. They're at the top range.
They don't pop. They don't pop. Don't need no pop.
How many what?
How many of those kids can we pass over the bridge as we go by?
I don't know. Yeah, here's the lake, Rock Lake. Okay, somebody's coming up, baby.
We got a little HD camera up there, huh?
Oh yeah, we get a lot of good video. It really works. Oh, this is one big culvert. This is our first break. I wanted to show you this before we started, but going 18 minutes 30 seconds and 2.15 miles already, and we need a break.
We're getting old.
Huh?
Getting old.
Getting old?
Getting old. This time we put ice on them.
Look at this, I'm starting to sweat already. The heck's going on here? Well, that's what happened when you're an old man. I gotta turn off the camera for now. If something interesting come along or we get to London or whatever, we'll turn it back on. Okay? Bye. This is just up from where we had stopped here. It's like another point here where you can park your car. The Drumlin State Trail.
On the other side, they have a checklist of all the birds out here.
For birders. If anybody's a birder, they should come out here and check off your birds.
Go show them the checklist.
Okay, hang on. There's the checklist. It says put up by BSA Troop 190, Aaron Wendt. Eagle Scout Project this was. Oh, that's nice. And then right below it is a list of all the birds you can see here. I imagine this area or Wisconsin or whatever.
And more birds on the other side.
More birds on the other side. And right here's a sign. It says beware of wild parsnip, 3 exclamation points. It burns exposed skin.
And believe it or
Get
not,
blisters and all that.
Everybody's yard.
Yeah, and I think there's wild parsnips right here too. And I ain't gonna walk through it, but I remember seeing a lot of this in my yard too. I never knew that. So beware of the wild parsnips. I'm standing in it right now. I'm standing in it right now. Oh, that's burning! No, just kidding. Bye. You ready to go, Big Mama?
Ready to go, Big Daddy.
We had to adjust our seats. That happens. And we're starting to sweat pretty good now.
Yeah, we're sweating.
So
The bike's coming both ways.
Bikes are coming both ways. Over there.
And two chippies
back over there.
each other.
Okay, here goes. Well, here we are. Had to take another break. We've gone 6.39 miles. And we're sitting here taking another rest. We should have maybe about 2.2 miles yet to get to Deerfield. There's my honey. I don't know how we wear anything off our waist when we eat all the time while we're burning the calories.
Sunflower seeds, good for you, good protein.
At least we're eating something that's good for us. And here we're at a nice bench. They put these along the trail every so many miles. BSA T41, that's Boy Scouts of America Troop 41. Did that. Very nice. And it looks like right behind us here is a little dried up creek. And on the other side, more of a dried up creek there too. The sweat on my honey's brow. There's the trail we gotta go yet. And that's the trail where we gotta come from, where we came from. Met a lot of bikers on this trail too. A lot more. We used quite a bit than we did from Sullivan to Jefferson and Lake Mills. A lot of us go this way. Talk to you later. Bye. Here, my honey. I said I shouldn't film myself till I wipe my mouth. How's the luck?
Talk with your mouth full.
I talk with my mouth full. She says it's gross.
Oh,
I don't look gross. That bad. Bye.
You're not putting that on there.
Sure am. Well, we just ate.
Can you tell?
She's fat again. This little bar here, cafe. We'll go to the front, get a shot. The Deerfield Tavern, pub and grill. We ate here. There's a picture of downtown Deerfield. Okay. Hello.
Alan's better shape.
Picture of a bench with, it's like gargoyles or something on it.
Devil. Look at the feet.
My honey says the devil.
Look at the feet.
Yeah.
Look at the back legs, the front legs.
Yeah, look at that. Wow.
Yeah, wow. Who's right.
Now we're going into an antique store.
Yes, into an antique store.
We left our lights on. Something happened to my horn. Just keep going. Yeah, there was. Yep. No, I'm filming you. I need some more from behind.
Oh, you need some butt?
Yeah. Big butt.
Yeah, but behind me is wide load.
Wide load.
Not on me, on you, wide load.
I could put another board on that seat and extend it out both ways. That'd help.